advent of software has fundamentally altered how we interact with the digital world. Software applications drive everything from the devices we use every day to sophisticated system uh, that powered industries with a significant cost per click value of $21. Software related keywords highlight the dynamic and influence role of software in technology dependent society. Understanding software at its core, software is a collection of instructions that tell a computer how to operate. It can be classified into two main types: systems offer system software, which provides a platform for other software to run on, and application software, which includes the vast range of applications we use daily, such as word processor, web browser, and games. The role of software in everyday life. Software is integral to our daily lives. We rely on it for a myriad of tasks, from sending emails and browsing the internet to streaming movies and using GPS navigation. Software application become so ingrained in our routines that we often take their present functionality for, for granted. The impact of software on business. Software has transformed the businesses landscape, uh, businesses landscape, enhancing productivity, facilitating communication, and driving innovation. Enterprise software such as customer relationship management and enterprise resource planning system help businesses manage and optimize their operation. Meanwhile, data analytics software enables companies to gain insight from a large volume of data to make informed decisions. The power of software development. Software development is the process of conceiving, designing, programming, documenting, testing, and bug fixing, involved in creating and maintaining software application. The rise of coding boot camps and online learning platforms has made software development skills more accessible, fostering a new generation of developers capable of creating innovative digital solutions. The global software market is vast and continually evolving. It includes everything from operating system and productivity software to artificial intelligence and cloud computing software. The high CPC value for software-related keywords underscore the competitiveness and profitability of this market. The future of software. As the technology advances, software continues to evolve.